Okay, it got a little messy, right? Didn't it? I'm gonna see what it tastes like. Tastes like nothing, okay? It looks like ice cream, but I have to chop it first. Okay, now the sugar. Okay. I know why you put sugar in, because it's cake, and cake is not good for you. I mean, you can make one, but not eat it, the whole thing. Or then you would have a tummy ache. Don't eat the whole thing. Okay. And then one, and that one, let's try to try. I don't know if it's gonna work. Or just chop it up, like this, okay? I am a master. You're younger than. It's like, there's barely even 3 left. Good. Ow. Put that in the other one. Now to wipe my hand off. It's like a big fat cake. It's like a big fat mommy cake. Oh my. Pretty good. I like it. But I don't like it with the chocolate. But I know I'm not making it for me. This is for Tony and Jordy. Here's a piece. I love it. I did 1, 2. I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Young letter right there. Do you know what I am? That's mine. Do you know what it looks like? But I'm gonna have to have a bite because I'm gonna have to check if it tastes good. I'm just chopping it up. Ba, 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 ba. What is flour for? I know it's for the cake. Just I did it! I actually did both! Now what? Thanks. Vanilla. Oh. 4. This one? Oh. It looks like coffee. Tired. Watch me pour the milk. Watch me pour the milk, Daddy. Oh. Oh, okay. Hey, watch me pour the flour in. I'm doing the whole thing. This is my last taste, okay? Good. The whole thing in one? What? Whole thing in one. I'll just lick it off. Or wipe it. Lick one, wipe two.
One, two, three, four, five. Five on the